In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the primary email address in Zoho Invoice. This is an important skill to learn if you need to keep your contact information up to date or if you're simply transitioning to a new email address. To get started, we first navigate to the settings within Zoho Invoice. This can usually be found in the upper right corner of the screen once you're logged into your Zoho Invoice account. Once you're in Settings, you'll want to click on Organization Profile. This is where you manage all your organizational preferences and details within Zoho Invoice. Here, you'll need to focus your attention on the Primary Contact section. This section is crucial because it's where the email address used for sending invoices is designated. You'll notice a gear icon next to the primary contact information. Clicking on this icon will give you the option to add a new sender. So go ahead and click it, then select Plus New Sender to proceed. This is where you'll input the new email address that you want to use. Enter the new email address and make sure to also include the corresponding name. After carefully entering these details, click Save to ensure that the new contact is stored in your Zoho Invoice account. Now it's essential to keep your eye on incoming emails at the new address you just added. Zoho will send you an authentication or verification email to confirm that you have access to this email address. It's a simple yet crucial step that ensures the integrity and security of your account by verifying the email address you intend to use. Once you locate the verification email in your inbox, click on the link provided within it. This step verifies the change and allows Zoho to officially recognize this email as an option. After you click the verification link, you'll need to revisit the organization profile in Zoho Invoice. It's at this point that you can select Mark as Primary Contact. This action sets the new email address as your default, meaning all future invoices will be sent from this address. That's the complete process. By following these steps, you can seamlessly transition to a new primary email address whenever necessary. Remember to ensure all details are correct as you input them, and always look out for the verification email to avoid any hiccups. With your email successfully updated, you are all set to continue managing your invoices smoothly and efficiently. I'll be wrapping up the video here, but feel free to rewatch if you need a recap on any of these steps. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.